Hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about stocks and all that stuff, but I'm going to give you a little update on what I'm going to do and how I'm going to approach it. Now, I'm here at the Tulsa Rib Company. It's a restaurant in Orange County. Good place. I've eaten here, all that good stuff. I did become a financial advisor again, so that's why I haven't been posting videos these last couple of days. I've been setting up with clients. I have 12 clients now. And I also do remotely, so I do it through Zoom, or I meet up with them, whatever it is, But again, I jumped back to financial advising. I did my own business, now I'm independent, so it's good. I'm gonna kind of say that I'm gonna switch up my videos up a bit. I'm still gonna be doing what I've been doing, trying to give out information, but I'm gonna try to invest a little bit more time to go in the financial aspect of things and kind of teach you guys a little bit better to actually know what you're doing and doing it intelligently. I'm not like any other typical financial advisor. I'm more of a conservative financial advisor. I'm more, safe with money and getting to your goals the right way and actually being successful. So, I've made a lot of people successful, and that's because I keep them up with that. I'm going to try to do like a basic course kind of on YouTube to kind of help you guys reach your goals if you guys are interested. If you guys want to hire me, you guys can. Like I said, as a financial advisor, I approach things differently. I try to kind of teach you guys and give you knowledge about, what you want to go for. So, other financial advisors are like, do this, do this, do that. Invest in this, invest in that. Use your money like this, get out of debt like that, file for this, For me, the way I approach things that people love about me is that I teach you how to think kind of like me, give you the knowledge to kind of be your own financial advisor. So people don't keep me long-term. I'm kind of a short-term guy, and I kind of teach you so you can manage things yourself. So that's the way I approach things, and people love it like that. So, I do have long-term clients, usually older people. So, I go through every age, from 18-year-olds to 70, 80-year-olds, and I have clients throughout the spectrum. So that's the way I'm approaching things. So I'm just warning you, I'm going to change my videos up a bit. I'm going to try a little bit harder. I'll probably do less videos, like I said, but they'll be more informative, but I'll still do videos like I do right now, screenshots and all that. So, but that's pretty much all I want to talk about with this. Let's just jump back to the video. So like I said, if you do want to eventually hire me, you can send me a personal message. Like I said, I usually teach you what I know and kind of explain to you how to break things down, teach you how to, learn everything so you guys can be your own financial advisors in here and be financially stable and approach things a certain way. So, enough of that. Let's jump to the video and let's go. All right, so the thing I'm going to be talking about today is catching great money opportunities. So, pretty much is new stuff. So I'm going to be telling you how to do and catch swing trades and day trades, okay? So to quickly start about it is the main thing you want to do is pay attention to news. The stocks ended up dropping a bit today quickly because it's inauguration day. Stocks are probably going to be a little bit fluctuated, but inauguration day is today. This week or the next few weeks, EV stocks should be doing fairly well. We see Tesla is going to be recovering. It's probably going to be doing fairly well. NIO as well. Like I said, a lot of the EV stocks are going to be doing well. So pay attention to that and follow the news because there's quick emotion there. So just have that in mind that news always plays a key part. And also finding the good patterns. So for example, we're going to say NIO. Like I said, I don't like investing into NIO, but I do trade it. I'm not an idiot. So as you see, the stock was about this price the Friday before the event happened. I think it was Saturday or Sunday. The event happened one of those 2 days. And just because of that, the stock was going to shoot up. It's common sense. So that I bought into it around whatever it was, 57 or something. And as you see, the stock blew up after it almost hit up $67 after the news came out about their, show event and all that stuff. So that was all pure emotion. People jumped into it, and I know a lot of people that lost money. But if you were intelligent about it, you would have bought before that Friday because knowing that there's going to be an event, there's always hype in an event.
So I bought into it that Friday and sold about, what was it, Monday? That late Monday, I sold it at 65. So I made good profit there. And that's things that you guys have to pay attention to. And you have to understand, you have to catch these swing trades. People are like, I'm going to invest in it. They bought into it when it was 60. It went up to 65. And people are like, oh, it's going to keep going up and it's going to keep blowing up. And they bought into it. And then the stock came back down and it crashed after that. So don't make those mistakes, guys. Don't chase. Never chase a stock. Okay? If you do, then sell it at a tie point. If it's set up a stop loss, like I said in my previous video, let me show you here real quick. Like let's say you have a stock, put trade, put sell. Oh, I can't sell these. They were free stocks. So you put trade. I think I have it on this one, so I don't think I can do it. So put trade. Son of a gun. Trade, sell, go to shares, go to trailing stop order, and you put a percentage. So you put 10%. So if it drops 10% of this price, then it automatically sells for you. So that's one thing you guys should do. If you guys are caught chasing a stock, like let's say NEO opened up, I think it was at 60 that Monday. You should have, if you bought into it, you should have put a trailing stop loss at 10%. So if it jumped up to 66 and then it dropped to 65 or something like that, then it would have sold automatically for you. Okay, and that's the thing that you guys have to understand and keep doing. You have to be attent because you can quickly lose money if you make a mistake. So, I mean, the thing I do swing trades in is kind of like Ford. I mean, I saw Ford go up. I jumped into it and I sold it off. Same thing with NEO. I did that. And down here, I've been using these stocks. These five, I mean, not really Tattoo Chef. Tattoo Chef comes down and I end up buying more. That stock is a stock that I'm not swing trading it. I'm just keeping it. A stock that I'm day trading and swing trading still is Zomedica. I found this pattern. Same thing with ExxonMobil, Viper Energy, and Diamondback. But the thing with these three stocks is Diamondback, Viper Energy, and ExxonMobil is that these stocks are a little bit safer. So if you don't catch the swing trade, then you can still keep it and eventually it's going to come back up to the price or even higher. So I have a little bit more confidence with these stocks, swing trading them, because like I said, if you don't catch them, then it's good to keep them. Same thing with these five stocks that I have: Stag, Apple, Realty Income, Coca-Cola, and AT&T. I have the same thing with them. If I try to swing trade it, if I buy it at a cheap price and I'm trying to swing trade it, if I don't catch it, then it's okay because they pay off a good dividend. And, you know, if I keep them, then I'm not going to lose anything. You get me? Because eventually they'll come up to that price. They're good enough companies where, you know, they won't collapse, you know? So have that in mind. That's a good way to actually see things and being safe and making money being safe. And that's one thing I want you guys to see. But again, if you see emotion, follow emotion, you know, but don't invest in emotion, trade emotion. Those are two different things. So swing trade or day trade the emotion, don't invest in it. Don't fall into the trap because chasing is always going to make you lose money. So, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. If you guys have any questions or want to learn anything, let me know in the comments down below and I will support you and help you out as much as possible. Like I said, if you want a financial advisor or anything, please let me know. I am available for that, but I'll be doing courses here in YouTube, so you guys can actually start getting a hang of it. And I promise you guys, the people that are following me are going to have good long-term success. And I'm not trying to say anything bad about other YouTubers or anything, but people that are just going with options and doing all that stuff are going to eventually fail. And the reason for that is because right now we're in an upwards market. The market has been going up so much that it's hard for you to lose. But once the market in these next 4 years starts to fluctuate a bit more, then you're going to see how you're going to be losing money if you're not getting knowledge about certain things. So again, it's good to follow people, but again, the only thing you can trust at the end is your knowledge. And I promise you, if you guys are following me, like you should, subscribe. I promise you that I can help you reach your financial goals and eventually become a millionaire. So I want to work with you guys and help you guys reach that $1 million goal, but we'll have to take it step by step. So at the end, I'm not going to be saying that I'm giving you financial advice here on YouTube, but if you do want some financial advice, go and hit me up in a personal message and I'll work with you individually, because that's my job. I have to do it individually because everybody has a different goal and a different mindset. So I have to work with that in different budgets. So, if you're following certain steps, hopefully you guys can hit that $1 million mark, and anybody can do it. If you don't make a lot of money, you can still do it. I've known people that have only made about $40,000 a year and they still become millionaires. So, it's possible. And I hope we can all get there, because that's what I want for everybody. I want everybody to be financially stable and have a great income and always have a peace of mind when they're ready to retire. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And please subscribe, guys, and comment down below if I've helped you out in any way or you need help in anything. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.